Let's see how to charge your Lightning model iPad using your USB-C charger. On latest iPhones and iPad, it only have the USB-C connectors. In case if you want to charge your Lightning connector iPad using USB-C charger, you just need to buy one converter, which is this one. Female USB-C to male Lightning connector. So it's a simple converter. I will give this product link in the description. It's Amazon link under $2. You just buy this one and you can directly connect this on your adapter USB port and plug this on the power socket and grab your iPad and directly connect this on your charging connector of your iPad. For me, this iPad is 10th generation. It comes with USB-C. If you have the 9th generation or some older models, you can directly connect. So that I'm going to use this iPhone 11. So it comes with lightning connector. What you have to do is just simply plug. It's charging. You can see it's charging. You can flip and connect. It's going to charge. Here you can see it actually works fine. So it's not going to reduce your charging speed. In case if it's gonna reduce your charging speed means you can see the indication on this page. Like you can see the pop-up low charging speed or charging takes longer than usual, some kind of thing. But here there is no pop-up like that. It's definitely works and I will give the product link in the description. You can use it. This is how you need to do, and if you want to know more videos about your Lightning model iPhone and iPad, you need to watch this playlist.